Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today I want to wish you a very happy new year to all of you, and I wish this corona will be पूरा खत्म हो जाए corona and we will meet soon in a school. So let us pray for that, and we are going to start our exercise of lesson number 1. The video I have sent it to you. Many of you have not seen that video, so just first see that video and then come to question and answers. Be ready with your book and pencil. Do not write with pen in your book. Okay, so we are on the lesson number 1. We have already done 4 lessons, and that was your practical lessons, and now this is your theory lesson. So the lesson number 1, that is networking concepts. Let us see hints. What are the hints? LAN, what is the full form of LAN? Local area network. Data. Resources. Resources means your the not yes, just like a geography, resources. Okay, the things which you are going to use to increase the efficiencies, your resources. Man here is not man, human being नहीं है ये man, ठीक है. This is your metropolitan area network. Okay, it is not your man, नहीं तो human being वाला man समझो आप. Wireless networking. Okay, communication, single point nodes. Now what is there? Dash system allows us to talk to any person in the world at any time. Which system? Let us see. Yes, communication system. A computer network enables two or more computers to share. What you are going to share? Data and resources. Okay. In network, modification or upgradation of software is done at single point. That's why the efficiency is increased. Single point. The computers that communicate with each other are called nodes. The network maintained without using wires is called wireless networking. Dash and dash are the different types of networking, LAN and MAN, and the third one is your WAN, wide area network. So write it in your book with the pencil. I am moving on to the next.
State true or false.
Yes. Now true and false. Nodes and servers have the same functions. False. They are talking about client server. LAN stands for large area network. False. It's a local area network. Network cards are used to physically attach the computer. True. WAN stands for wide area network. True. WAP stands for wired access point. False. Okay, wireless access point. In client server network, there is no central server. False. Multiple choice question. Which is the most commonly used network card? Ethernet network card. And what is that Ethernet? Ethernet is a name of protocol. Okay. Which wireless technology is used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short range wireless connection? Short range wireless connection, that is Bluetooth. What do we call computers which are connected to the servers? Nodes. Dash security means protecting data and resources from access by unauthorized person. Network security. Dash is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network, Wi-Fi, wireless access point. Okay, so this is your WAP. Now what you have to do? You have to do it in your book. And question and answers I am going to send you separately. Okay, to clarify the basics of networking concepts, visit this site. This is the slide shares are there, www.slideshare.net. Okay, ये आपका दिया हुआ है. Note down this site address and you can see the more information on your networking concepts. So that's all for today. Again, I want to wish you a very happy new year and let us pray this corona will stop in a new year and we will meet soon. Don't be lazy. Okay, see all the videos. Till now, that's all for today. Bye bye.